Hi, in this video I am going to show you how you can download and install Opera browser on your Windows computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. To install Opera, at first you need to download. We can download from Google easily or opera.com. So I'm going to search by typing Opera on Google. So right now I'm on the Google page and then I start typing Opera and then hit enter key, and now we see the Opera is there. So opera.com is the original website. Download Opera, don't download in other location because sometimes there is lots of spyware with that. So I'm going to access this opera.com by clicking here, and very shortly we'll be in this type of page. Here we'll find couple of locations of the download link. So here is one download link, and that is there, and I feel downside also there should be some download link out there anyway. So generally you will find the download link like tops menu or like this in the home page. So any button or link is fine to download from opera.com. So I'm going to click this download now button, or you can click here also. So once I click the download button, it will start downloading and it will be saved on my download location. For my computer, the download location is saved to downloads folder. So I'm going to access the downloads folder from here. See, here is the download folder, and here I just need to refresh, and here I see that the download file for Opera is there. This is the installer, right? So I'm going to minimize the other window. Now I'm going to install it. To install it, we just need to double click on top of this exe file, which is opera setup.exe. I'm going to double click, and very shortly it will open like this type of window. I'm also going to minimize this thing because I don't need it anymore. And from here we will see one button is there, accept and install. To install this thing, we must need to accept, and then only we are able to install. So I'm going to press this accept and install button, and very shortly it will give this type of message. So back, configure in settings, and accept. So I'm going to press this accept button because default configuration settings is fine for me. So I'm going to click accept, and very shortly you will see it is showing that the Opera is installing like this way. Once the installation is complete successfully, that this progress bar will be finished. So don't close this window till it finished, because if you close this, you need to restart the installation from the beginning. Once the installation is finished successfully, then you will get this type of message, get started. Just press there to start Opera, and very shortly you will see that the Opera is asking which mode you want to use, like light mode, dark mode, or system. I prefer dark mode, so I am going to choose this option, dark mode, and then going to press this next button to go to the next step. What's your style? Is select a start page wallpaper. So Opera is asking what type of page you want as a startup wallpaper. I'm going to choose this one or this one. It's fine. Any option is fine. So let's take the dark one, and then I'm going to press the next button for the next step. Browser fast ad free. So you can actually block ad, or you can check the ads like this, turn on ad blocker. Okay, block ads. So I'm going to press this thing so that it will be block the ads, or if you want you can also disable like this. I'm going to press it, and then I'm going to press next, and then keep up with everyone. Add your favorite social apps. So there are so many things there are, but I'm not going to configure any more things. So rather I'm going to press the letter, and then the Opera browser will be opened like this way. I'm going to minimize this thing, and now we'll see the Opera browser is there, and now we can use Opera. So let's open a new tab and check whether it is working properly or not. I'm going to type google.com. Okay, once I type the google.com, it is coming. So that means Opera browser is working fine. Okay, so that's it guys. In this way we can easily download and install Opera on our Windows machine. Thank you guys for watching the video.